Note-taking apps allow you to change the color of your annotations, and FetchNote expands on this feature to help you improve the clarity of your notes when generating a summary. This tutorial will show you how to use colors to make the most out of your PDF annotations. To get started, download an example file by clicking on the Example PDF Files link. Then click on the first row under the General category and click Input. This will open up an annotated PDF. Go ahead and save the file to your computer. Open up the file and click on the Comments tool. Highlight all the comments and then delete them for a blank document. Now click on the Highlight tool with the comment toolbar open and select the section you want to highlight. You can quickly change the highlight color in the right-hand corner for your note-taking needs. When you close out of the comment toolbar, you'll notice the Tools menu disappears. Right-click on the toolbar, and under the drop-down menu, click on Customize Quick Tools. Here you can select frequently used tools for convenient note-taking. Select the Comment tool, then click the Sticky Note and Highlight tools to add them to the toolbar. You can also add other tools, including Underline, Text Box, Oval, Rectangle, Change Color, and Set and Change Properties for the selected text. These will aid your note-taking capabilities with Adobe Acrobat. With these tools in your toolbar, you won't have to open the Documents toolbar to make annotations. You can speed up your note-taking by adding keyboard shortcuts as well. However, you first need to turn on single key accelerators to enable the shortcuts. Do this by going to Edit, then Preferences at the bottom, and clicking on General. Then check the box for Use single key accelerators to access tools. Now we can press the U key to activate the Highlight tool. Press S for sticky notes, X for the text boxes, and Shift plus D 3 times to activate rectangles. You only have to do this once, and after that, all you have to do is press D to activate a rectangle. Hit Escape to get out of any annotation tools. Now let's upload the file to FetchNote. Click Proceed to Download page, and you'll see your document queued for processing. Once finished, click the row that has your example file listed. From our annotated file, we see that different colors have different effects on the text. We can see that purple highlights create large, non-indented text, and the text color is always purple. This makes it an excellent option for main titles. Red highlights generate bold text in the output, and a red sticky note will generate red text. Orange highlights are underlined, and the text color is orange if it is a sticky note. Green highlights generate a bulleted list, and green sticky notes create green text. Blue highlights create non-indented text without color, and blue sticky notes are blue. We recommend this for secondary titles. Red rectangles create an image of anything inside the rectangle, and blue rectangles create a text filter. Any highlighted text outside of the blue rectangle is ignored. If you want to know more about the different color options and their corresponding outputs, open the Advanced Settings menu and scroll down to the bottom. The last two tables explain the annotation tools and their color meanings. These tables also allow you to change the default color settings if you like. A more detailed explanation of how to change various default settings is provided in another video. To get more information about each of the settings, first click the blue Information button. Then click the Next button to get a description of the different settings for that table. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us through our support link. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos to learn more about how to get the most out of FetchNote for generating summaries of your notes.